positive energy. Each day is precious and special. So focus on all the good things in your life and let your mind heal from within. Live each day with passion, fulfillment, and happiness. Spend more time with family and friends as their love, help, and support help you through. Everyone has a journey they will travel in their lifetime. This is your journey. Stay positive and live life. Ban, Bluesman, 2007. Dream your dreams. Close your eyes, my little one. Close your eyes and dream. You can be anyone you dream. You can go anywhere, be anything, be anyone, do anything. Just close your eyes and dream your dreams. R.J. Burns. Do it anyway. People are often unreasonable, illogical, and self-centered. Forgive them anyway. If you are kind, people may accuse you of selfish, ulterior motives. Be kind anyway. If you are successful, you'll win some false friends and true enemies. Succeed anyway. If you are honest and frank, people may cheat you. Be honest anyway. What you spend years building, someone could destroy overnight. Build anyway. If you find serenity and happiness, they may be jealous. Be happy anyway. The good you do today, people will often forget tomorrow. Do good anyway. Give the world the best you have, and may never be enough. Give the world the best you've got anyway. You see, in the final analysis, it is between you and whatever ulterior beings there may be or may not be. It was never between you and them anyway. Mother Teresa. Tell yourself. By Do Santamata. Tell yourself everything will work out. Things will get better. You are important. You are worthy of great things. You are lovable. The time is now. This too shall pass. You can be who you really are. The best is yet to come. You are strong. You can do this. Focus. 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 Look at nothing else. Put on all your blinders on what you want. You will soon. You will soon lose sight. By Anonymous. Fresh New Year. Another fresh new year is here. Another year I live to banish worry, doubt, and fear, to love and laugh and give. This bright new year is given me to live each day with zest, to daily grow and try to be my highest and my best. I have the opportunity once more to right some wrongs, to hope for peace, to plant a tree, and sing more joyful songs. William Arthur Ward, 1921 to 1944. Life Poem by Anonymous. Life itself is a test, hardly an easy feat. In comparison, I'm sure your exams are easier to beat. Life is the biggest challenge, every day to face. This is just one of the few obstacles in the race. I wish you good luck in acing this exam. I wish in everything you rise above, endure. So easily influenced, but don't be. Just let free and soar. Good morning, poem. Unlock your dreams. Unlock your passion. Unlock your potential. Unlock your motivation. Unlock your knowledge. Unlock your experience. Unlock your wisdom. You live life only once. So, good morning. By Anonymous. Farewell, inspirational poem. You empowered us with the power of knowledge. You motivated us with the best tutelage. You helped us move ahead with unending motivation. As a leader and a human being, you are true inspiration. You'll have to excuse me. It's easy to have a quench that you must... a thirst, excuse me if you will. A thirst that you need to quench when making these videos, because you will get very much parched. So, I'm going to take a couple sips of water. Echo of goodness. I pray that these good ideas, which are aged old, not new, are not lost in layers of pages on the internet, along with tons of false claims. And I pray every day that these things will be expounded in books, creating an echo of goodness. Caller A. Waterman. Mother's death. Mom, for every time I let you down, for every time I've made you frown, I know it is too late for an apology, but still I want to say sorry. Like a fool, I never realized the value of having a loving mother like you. I know you want to be my best. I realize you wanted me to outshine the rest. I promise to be the best person I can be. Promise to be the winner that you saw in me. It won't go in vain. It won't escape your eyes. I know you will be watching on me from the skies. I miss you. By Anonymous. The Knot Spur. Please untie the knots that are in my mind, my heart, and my life. Remove the have-nots, the can-nots, and the do-not that I have in my mind. Erase the will-nots, may-nots, might-not that may find a home in my heart. Release me from the could-not, would-not, and should-not that obstruct my life. And most of all, oh God, I ask that you remove from my mind, my heart, and my life all the am-not, especially the thought that I am not good enough. By Anonymous. Start Where You Stand by Burton Bradley. The past won't help you in new beginning, or beginning new. If you have left it all behind at last, why that is enough. You are done with it. You are through. This is another chapter in the book. This is another race that you have planned. Don't give the vanished days a backward look. Start where you stand. The world won't care about your old defeats. If you can, start anew and win success. The future is your time, and time is fleet. And there is much of work and strain and stress. Forget the buried woes and dead despairs. Here's a brand new trial right at hand. The future is for him who does and dares. Start where you stand. The next of which would be Sweet Winter Bliss by Sylvia Kim. Outside the window there is nothing but white, pure, blank, white, fresh from the sky. There is movement out there, but nothing else is there. It is sweet winter bliss. Snow stomping fun makes spirits arise. Giggling can be heard from joyful cries. It is a snowfall surprise. It's a sweet winter bliss. Fresh tracks lay deep in the snow. The burning cold air makes cheeks pink and glow. Smiles and grins peek out from every corner you look. It's sweet winter bliss. Snowballs fly high in the air. Snow angels lay peacefully on the ground. Ice skating by the pond brings back such memories. It's sweet winter bliss. Cookies and hot cocoa by the warmth of the fire, unwrapping presents under the tree. In sight, the couple under the tree make such a pair. It's sweet winter bliss. Always remember, always remember to forget the things that made you sad, but never forget to remember the things that made you glad. Always remember to forget the friends that proved untrue, but never forget to remember those that have stuck by you. Always remember to forget the troubles that passed away, but never forget to remember the blessings and good that come each day. Friends. Friends are a gift from above, who always stand with you. But some friends forget. Still my friends? Oh yes, I do. Because only time can tell if they again can remember you. But how about those ones who really intend to forget? Maybe they got amnesia? Never mind. I don't regret. Because only time can tell if they again come back to you. Our friends, they come and go, like changing of the seasons, like words in a poem. This poem, with rhythms, but no reason. Truly, friends are friends, whosoever they may be, because in my memories, they became a part of me. Just thinking what life is. I traveled some distant lands, above open seas and cloudy skies, crossed wide rivers and mountain ranges, meet people who speak not the same as mine. I gone through a lot of troubles, enjoyed a lot of blessings too. Life seems like a baffling question. Truly, a wonder beyond the blue. A question that has me always thinking. Sometimes I wish you're searching too. But how about we ask that which may be above, a true wisdom for me and you? Wild Geese by Anonymous. You do not have to be good. You do not have to walk on your knees. For 100 miles through the desert, repenting, you only have to let the soft animal of your body love what it loves. Tell me about your despair, yours, and I will tell you mine. Meanwhile the world goes on. Meanwhile the sun and the clear pebbles of the rain are moving across the landscapes. over the prairies and the deep trees, the mountains and the rivers. Meanwhile, the geese, high in the clean blue air, are heading home again. Whoever you are, no matter how lonely, the world offers itself to your imagination, calls to you like the geese, like the wild geese, harsh and exciting, over and over, announcing your place in the family of things. Don't Give Up by Janet Mullally. Don't give up and don't give in. It's all in the Lord's hands. No matter what you're facing, He's the only one who can. In any situation, His grace can turn it around, so you can be victorious, as His love does around, the beginning and the end. He knows, and all that is in between, so put your total trust in Him. To Him it is all foreseen. He knows about your struggles, He knows about your pain, your hardships and your sorrows, and He will help you to reign. So don't give up and don't give in. Don't quit before it's time. Your God's grace will give you power to make it to the finish line in its way in time. This poem in particular doesn't actually reference religion, although it says Lord and God and refers to it also as an it. It refers to what you put your faith in, and that can be people, that can be your significant other, that can be your family, your friends. It can be, in some cases for different people, even a God they believe in. It's about having faith. Up next, inspirational poem. Like a roller coaster ride, I'm elevating towards my high. Adrenaline absorbed on the edge of my seat, I am anxious to reach the peak. Endorphins screaming and pores pouring, the moment freezes. I feel the tension breathe upon me, face to face with a dangerous high. I push forth, trying to hide the fear I feel inside. Never satisfied, I always want more, just enough to kill that peak and to get over it. This ride never lasts long. It's a devil in disguise, robbing me blind, with no will to stop. Yet, I'm always anticipating another ride. So, how about another? Well Wishes by Anonymous. When I see each name download and view the message they've sent, I know they've thought of me that day, and well wishes were their intent. I begin my fight by Anonymous. With a powerful and enormous strength, I begin my fight as I reach deep down into my warrior soul with all my might to gather up a powerful ball of medicinal light, which will help my chemo to destroy every cancer cell in sight. As my treatment goes on, I will hydrate myself, nourish my mind, and soothe my soul with warmth and love, knowing that my body will be healthy and whole. Now, this particular poem in itself isn't actually referencing cancer. It's actually referencing cancer as a sickness in all, and a general idea of every form of cancer, and every sickness, and every disorder there can possibly be. Next up, we have Devote Yourself by Anonymous. So many people around with a meaningless life. They seem half asleep, even when they are busy, doing things they think are important. This is because they are chasing the wrong things. The way you get meaning into your life is to devote yourself to loving others. Devote yourself to your community around you, and devote yourself to creating something that gives you purpose and meaning. This poem is really nice to see because it kind of also references the I guess the greed of human people, which is sad, but it is an ongoing thing, and a lot of people just work towards stuff that doesn't actually matter. Once you're dead, none of these physical things around you will be with you. You will be gone, and what we think happens from there, nobody knows. For sure, that is. So, to love people while you're here, and to have people remember you as helpful and nice and kind, is more important than anything that can be done. And that is why this poem is very, very nice. Sage says, by Anonymous. Sage says, the sapling oak will push away the giant stone to receive the light of day. As heavy as the stone is placed, so too is the challenge faced. The seed of life is booming and gleaming to bloom. Yet there are those that would cause doom. Each does yearn for heaven's fruits. Not all see abundance enough for their roots. Take more, take no more than you may give, and you shall more with abundance live. Take too without lewd and without heed, and no more you will be able to feed. Be fair and share, do not strip the tree bare, for many seasons must pass before there will be anything to share. To share in a time of abundance is wise, to share in a time of desolation is impossible. And for our final poem, we have Opening Doors by Ruth Cutler. Opening doors. The fairer sex is what she is called, a struggle to begin. For in a world where man is king, it is difficult to win, but tremendous and nurturing are not to be misread. A strength and power to rule the world be in her pretty head. Sometime her magic's camouflaged. She doesn't know it is there, caught up in daily mindless tasks. To dream she does not dare. Adversaries and challenges are always in her way, and yet she knows it is impossible to change her life one day. Every stone she stumbles on, and every time she falls, it puts her where she is meant to be, appears like blocks and walls, and yet it is another door, in spite of what it seems, a lesson waiting to be learned, a gateway to her dreams. Sometimes she must remind herself, the sun comes up each day, and even in the darkest night, the moon will light her way. No rainbow comes without the storm, and peace may come with wars. Yet in her heart she knows she will win if she keeps opening doors. If you're still here at this point, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you can subscribe and like, that would be amazing. Let me know if you guys have any requests. And this has been Manly ASMR signing off.